I'm Brenda Kiribo for KTN News in Nairobi.
Now, travel is more of a norm rather than the exception, especially during the festive season. But what if you aren't going out of town on holiday? Tonight, on the second installment of What's for Christmas, KTN's Timothy Otieno explores various indoor activities you can decide to do this Christmas holiday. Have a look.
There's a lot that you can do during this festive season. You can choose to board a bus and visit your rural home, go for a picnic, or visit the sandy beaches of Mombasa. But in this episode of What's for Christmas, I'll be telling you the best methods of celebrating this festive season with your friends and family using some very interesting indoor games. So take a ride with me. First stop is the bowling alley at the village market. Here, both the young and the old converge for a little playtime. 77-year-old Margaret Wangari is having the time of her life. Her grandchildren have decided this is how she'll spend her Christmas. Margaret calls herself the .com granny. And the professionals here don't intimidate her at all.
Hii mchezo mimi huona tu kwa TV, sijauona ukiwa live, na kwa hivyo nimefurahia kucheza hiyo mchezo. Kwa hivyo Christmas kwangu itakuwa poa.
But bowling is just one aspect the people here are choosing as part of their Christmas plans. Another involves a wide variety of indoor activities, mainly tailored to cater to the needs of toddlers and teenagers. Maurice Mureithi has been with his two children at this section of the mall, dubbed Under the Sea. This is considered seventh heaven if you're anybody under the age of 10.
We have spent 3 hours here. The kids have really enjoyed the day. They have had a lot of fun. The 3 hours have really gone fast, and there are a lot of things to do here.
Among them includes virtual reality, a modern-day fun activity virtually on everyone's to-do list. Everyone, including my colleague Ezekiel, who took part in the thrill-seeking activity. And if your nerves can't handle the adrenaline rush of virtual reality, then why not engage in the cooler and calm game of darts? Village Market is just one among many entertainment and luxury places that offer a wide variety of indoor activities at varied prices. Tabulation by KTN News reveals that across various gaming spots, bowling will cost you approximately 500 shillings to throw 20 balls. Virtual reality costs about 550 shillings per session, with kids' activities going for anything from 350 shillings and upwards.
The prices vary with the ages and also the amount of time that you want to have with your family.
We have an activity for all ages, so even children as young as 7 months to people in their 50s.
This is where all superheroes drink, dine, and hang out.
And the .com granny is doing just that. Timothy Otieno, KTN News.